Ever since we closed schools to in-person learning in mid-March, we've been looking forward to welcoming our students and staff back to our buildings, and we recognize how important it is for us to do that safely. The health and well-being of our community is our top priority. That is why teams of our colleagues, including the LEA, AFSCME members, community stakeholders, medical professionals, and district leaders have collaborated to design a plan to open our schools this fall. We know that health and safety are foremost in your minds. We hope this video will help you understand the health standards in our reopening plan and how we can work together to make this a safe and successful school year. First, we need to take care of ourselves. To do this, we ask all staff and students to perform a daily wellness screening prior to arriving at school. If you have a fever or other symptoms of COVID-19, or if you have been exposed to someone with COVID-19, stay home and get well. When you arrive at school, please wear a mask. By order of the governor, all students and staff are required to do so. We ask that you wash your hands frequently and feel free to use our hand sanitizer, which will be placed strategically throughout your school buildings. Our facilities team will disinfect high traffic areas throughout the day and deep clean our schools overnight. We will provide additional cleaning supplies for you, but cleanliness is our commitment to you, not the other way around. You'll notice that each classroom will be set up so that students and staff can maintain social distancing of at least 6 feet where possible. This is an important practice to ensure that in-person teaching happens safely. Another important safety practice is keeping our school supplies free from germs. When you are finished with certain school supplies, you will be asked to wipe them off so that we are protecting each other and doing the most that we can to ensure a safe classroom. Our back-to-school plan is based on the advice of health experts, and their guidance is clear. We need to limit the number of people our students and staff come in contact with every day. Our hybrid and blended learning plan reduces the number of students in a classroom at one time. It also limits the movement of students throughout our school buildings. Visitors to our schools will be restricted, and don't expect large gatherings, events, or extracurricular activities where social distancing is not possible. One area where we can't guarantee social distancing is on our school buses. That's why we will require all students to wear a mask when riding the bus to and from school. Because of this, we are encouraging parents to consider other means of transportation to reduce the number of students riding the bus. We know these are significant changes for our students and employees. However, we do believe regular home health screenings, frequent hand washing, continuous school cleaning, and social distancing can help mitigate the spread of infection into our schools. By limiting contacts between students and staff, we can also help with contact tracing. Contact tracing is a key strategy used by health departments all across the world to prevent the further spread of infectious diseases. If a staff member or student tests positive for COVID-19, health officials will look for who an infected person has been in contact with and determine if they need to quarantine to prevent further spread. In the event a student is required to quarantine, we will provide students with opportunities for at-home learning. We will also follow specific guidance from the Department of Health, which handles possible exposures on a case-by-case basis. We are in regular contact with the Pennsylvania Department of Health, the American Academy of Pediatrics, and our local healthcare providers to ensure our practices continue to align with the latest guidance. We know this is a lot to take in. We know our schools will look and feel different. It is okay to be fearful. We also know that our staff is resilient, committed, creative, and empathetic. We are here to support you and help you adapt. And we are confident the SDOL spirit will continue to shine through. Welcome back to our schools. We are so excited to see you. Now more than ever, Together we can.